Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all safe by the grace of God. Okay children, without wasting time, I will straight away move on to the topic. I am Charles A., social science teacher from MDES. Today, I am going to discuss on social science history topic, the advent of Europeans to India. In this chapter, you are going to learn the trade and commerce relationship India had with Europeans. The second point is the arrival of Europeans to India for trade. The Carnatic Wars in the backdrop of European political developments. On the examination point of view, these two battles are very important. Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar, and the dual government system, which was introduced by Robert Clive. The last point is the British policy of aggression. There were trade and commerce relationship between India and Europe since ancient times. There was great demand for Indian spices like black pepper, cardamom, ginger, and many other spices in Europe. The trade relationship continued between India, Europe, and other Asian countries even during Middle Ages. The Arab merchants carried the Asian merchandise into Constantinople of Eastern Roman Empire. Italian merchants would buy these goods and then sell in European countries. Like this, Constantinople was the center of international business and considered as the gateway of European trade. While Arab merchants had gained monopoly over the trade in Asian countries, Italian traders had gained monopoly over trade in Europe. The merchandise from Asia had brought good profits to Italian merchants. The reasons for the discovery of new sea route to India. The first reason is the fall of Constantinople. In 1453, the Ottoman Turks captured the city of Constantinople. As a result, all the trade routes connecting the city of Constantinople came under the control of Turks. And you can see Constantinople in the map. Presently it is called Istanbul. It is in Turkey. The Turks started levying too many taxes on the goods passing through these routes. As a result, the merchants felt that the trade was not profitable. Since the Europeans earned more profit, they don't want to give up their trade with the eastern countries. So this attitude of the Europeans compelled them to find out new sea route to India. The second reason is Spain and Portugal were attempting to break the monopoly of Italian traders. They started encouraging courageous sailors to find out a new sea route to India by supporting, giving them training.